The first fruit of Hyundai's new N performance sub-brand is here in the form of the 2019 Veloster N with up to 275 horsepower from a turbocharged inline-four, a sportier chassis, and aggressive looks. It brings Hyundai's hot hatch aspirations to their highest level yet. Its performance credentials, in fact, seem to suggest an interesting middle ground between sport compacts like the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Honda Civic C and the more hardcore Golf R and Civic Type R. As anticipated, the Veloster N shares much of its aesthetic with the Europe market i30N, a hotted up version of the Elantra GT that we won't get in the United States. The Veloster N is available in the same performance blue paint, as well as black, red, and white, and it sports similar red trim on the front fascia and side skirts. An N badge is visible in the grille, denoting this as the top dog model that sits above the 201 HP Veloster Turbo in the Ledoux. The Veloster N shares its basic mechanicals with the i30N2, which means it's powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-four producing up to 275 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. The i30N has an optional performance package that raises power from the 250 HP to 271 HP, so we expect the Veloster to offer a similar hierarchy. This engine powers the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission, and an electronically controlled limited slip differential is optional equipment. Additional performance features adaptive dampers, launch control capability, automatic rev matching, and a variable exhaust are on the menu too, and are controlled via a set of 5 driving modes, including an N setting that's meant for the track. 2 wheel and tire packages will be offered. The 18-inch base wheel is wrapped in 225 series Michelin Pilot Supersport performance tires, while an optional 19-inch wheel has wider, 235 series Pirelli P0 rubber. There's also an available brake upgrade that brings larger rotors at all 4 corners.